New 2015 report is out, and we are very pleased to report that there are only 2 cities in the entire United States that are listed in the top 10 of most important cities for the ultra high net worth individuals. And those are New York and Miami. And so we are in company with and actually rated higher than Dubai, Paris, and Zurich.
Last year, Miami was the 8th fastest growing city in the country. And every day we're seeing more than 1,000 people move into the state of Florida.
It's a great time to invest because of the marketing. Everybody knows that Miami is the best place in the world to be.
In our 50-year history of data for the Miami market, the last 4 years have broken new record in our entire history for number of real estate sales.
But there's a different investor that's coming to Miami today. The investment strategy is different than it was in 2006, 2007, 2008.
Everybody has to put 50% down payment. The down payment that used to be before 10% and 5% and no money down and etc. Right now it's 50% down payment.
That creates more financial stability in the purchase of the property that they're buying, as well as within the banking system, as well as within our community.
But the great news is that Miami prices are still equal to where they were 11 years ago, which was in 2004. So what are those prices? Well, the median home sale price, that means as many properties sold above this amount as below this amount. So the median home sale price for single family homes is only $282,000. For condominiums, the median home sale price is $207,200. So you can see why Miami has so many affordable options compared to other world-class cities.
Miami is one of the best places in the world to do investment today because it's still growing all the way up to the sky and it's going to be very expensive in the future.
We're seeing increase in incomes, which allows us as investors to raise rents. The second thing that we're seeing is low vacancy rates. And vacancy ratio overall in Miami is less than 5%.
Luxury sales have actually had a 2.3% increase. So while our sales have been amazing and breaking new records for the 4 years here in the local marketplace, we actually are still increasing in the luxury $1 million and over price point homes. So we're up 2.3% even over last year's record amount. And our median sale price for luxury properties is $1.7 million.
Actually, Miami is one of the best place to be because it's become the capital for South America.
It is the most international city in the entire United States. We have more foreign-born residents in Miami than any other major city in the U.S. And that's part of what is so welcoming and wonderful about Miami, because no matter where you're from, we have residents here who are also from your same region or country.
When you're making an investment in Miami, you want peace of mind that your investment is going to grow.
Make sure that whatever you get, it's fit the 3 purposes and there's 3 reasons that people buy real estate: vacation home, primary resident, and investment.
So in the top 10, New York is number 1, London, Hong Kong, Singapore, Shanghai, Beijing, and then Miami. And so they also do a projection out 10 years. And in 10 years, it is still projected that Miami and New York will be the only 2 U.S. cities in the entire world that are most important to ultra high net worth individuals. Come to Miami.